Hello everybody, saludos a todos here in Abilene and Abilene surrounding areas. Folks, this is Sammy the Bulldog, your buddy, your pal, here at Palm Harbor Homes in Abilene, Texas. Folks, if you're out looking around for the perfect kitchen, just haven't found it, I've got it right here, folks. Come out here and talk to me about the Horizon. It's a beautiful floor plan with a great layout. It's got this amazing gourmet kitchen here with the country charm. If you would, just come on in, ask for me, Sammy the Bulldog, your buddy, your pal, and I'll be happy to tour this home with you and just show you a lot more of what this house has to offer. This little tease clip is not gonna do much justice for it, but I bet you when you come in, you'll be totally sold on this beautiful house. Again, I'm at 3301 Hickory Street, Palm Harbor Homes, Abilene, Texas, where you always get more home for your money. We'll talk to you real soon.